talk really quickly through this video, girls. I'm going to talk quickly. You can pause whenever you want. Okay, let's talk about the tests for similarity. I can't just say two things are similar with no reason. So the tests for similar triangles are side, side, side. So if all the sides match up, I multiply by 2, I multiply by 2, I multiply by 2, then I can say, since they're all in proportion, then I know these two are similar. I can say a side, an angle, and a side. So I can say these two sides are in proportion. I multiply by 2, I multiply by 2, and the angle that's in between those two sides, we call it an included angle because it's included by the sides, are equal. Then I can say they're definitely similar, SAS. If all the angles are the same, then angle, 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 or I can just say AA, then these two are similar. And there's also one for, especially for right triangles, where I have the right angle, they're both right, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, I get two sides in proportion, and one of them is the hypotenuse. Then I can say right, hypotenuse, side. Okay? All right, so let's just go down and talk about which tests work here. In this one, all the angles are the same, so I say A. It says choose the similarity test. You'll have to do that on your test, which proves that these pairs of triangles are similar. Now look at this one. I have right, I have a hypotenuse. This one, I have, let's see, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, and those two sides contain the same angle, so I have side, angle, side. So this is really easy. It's just about looking at stuff. All right, here's the as hard as it gets for us right now. So I have a pair of triangles. Can you see the two triangles? There's this big one and this little one. And it says give a reason. Well, before I can give a reason, I must split the triangles up. So it's not an option, you have to split them up. So here's the big one. It's EAC, it's the big one. There's a 3 here. There is an X here. That's that whole side. And there's nothing down here for me. And then I have the little one. I should draw it neatly, or as neat as I can, without a ruler. There's the little one. It's B and a D and a C. It has a 2 here. And it has a 5 here. And it says, give a reason, SSS, blah, blah, why the two triangles are similar. I don't know. Do I know anything? Well, these two were parallel. That means these two angles are corresponding. So they're the same. Okay, that's good. And these two angles, well, they're both at C. Those are the same angle. And once I have two angles, because I know all triangles add up to 180, I get the third one for free. So I've split them up, and I'm saying A. Great. Okay, now let's find the X. So here's what it says. It says 3 to 2 equals X to 5. Big. This one to this one, this one to this one. I could have written it upside down. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that these two values, if they're both on top, and these two values both on the bottom. All right, now I'm going to multiply by 5 on both sides because I'd like to get rid of that because it's dividing into the X, so I'll multiply. And then I might bring my calculator over and I might go 3 divided by 2 times 5, 7.5. I don't know when that started glitching, girls. I multiplied by 5 on both sides to get that 5 out from under. And then I did on my calculator 3 divided by 2 times 5. And I got 7.5. Okay. I'll give you some problems from this section. I don't have them written down yet. I'll give them to you when you're finished.